Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to open password protected Word documents. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to this website, password-find.com, and from here this will be their homepage, guys, and just simply click on unprotect your file over here at the top right. So click on that, and from here just simply click on browse over here, and now just simply go ahead and click on show all files, and just simply select the folder that have a password and click on open. And after that, just simply wait for it to load and click on next step over here. And now from here, just simply click on remove password, click on next step. And from here, let the website do the work for you and just simply wait for it to load up. And now from here, just simply click on download. And now just simply select a location where you are going to save it. And now guys, when we open the file, I should be able to access it and click on enable editing. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.